Hello folks, Rob here. I'm picking up this 70 Dodge Charger. This will complete my Dodge Chargers from, I got 66, 67, 68, 69. Now I got 70. I got 71, 72, missing 73, and got a 74. But heard this is a really nice kit, and I also got some Panther Pink paint, so I'm gonna do this in Panther Pink. And then this course has got like the Magnum 500, so I'm gonna probably put on some Mopar Raleighs from some kit or something. But anyway, I'm kind of looking forward to doing this. I also saw the Fast and Furious kit too. I might get that sometime, but I kind of like to build this stock, so I figured I'd go ahead and get this, and definitely would look good in Panther Pink. But anyway, just kind of wanted to show you what I stopped and picked up. I guess I'm on a Mopar kick since I'm doing those cars for a contest. So anyway, this is Robbie signing out, saying have a great